This is the newspaper website story, Great Research Fact. It's an immediate multimedia whiteboard. I'm Charlie Malden, Vice President of Solutions with Immediate. Today we're going to see the use of fact umbrellas in multimedia branding. We're going to review facts that show the Internet opportunity, and we're going to see big facts for showing the value of website target audiences. How do research facts communicate multimedia branding? The basic concept is the multimedia umbrella. And a great example comes from the Baltimore Sun Media Group, where you have the opportunity to choose the #1 way to reach the consumers you want in a portfolio of winners that includes the #1 newspaper in the Baltimore Sun, which is also the #1 source of news, the #1 local news website in the BaltimoreSun.com, #1 in community news with Community Newspaper Group, and they offer the #1 young adult daily. And they show off the portfolio with facts. The basic idea is BSMG readers. That's the fact umbrella, the multimedia umbrella, and it includes newspaper, online, and community newspapers. And with that combination, you can reach 66% of homeowners in Baltimore. With newspaper and online together, that's the reach of a single ad daily in the Sun. Add online that week to that, and that number grows substantially. One Sunday ad reaches a big number. Add online to that, and you reach a much bigger number. And use newspaper and online together that week, and you can reach as many as 826,500 homeowners. How about community newspapers? We use a technique that we call the big awesome number slide, band slide. And in this case, you can reach 420,800 adults in Baltimore with the Community Newspaper Group. This array sets up the online sales story that they tell with webmetrics and other audience data. These are immediate slides courtesy the Baltimore Sun. The second concept is the digital umbrella. We're using the Columbus Dispatch and their array of digital products to show the digital umbrella concept. Their digital portfolio there is rich and deep. It includes ColumbusDispatch.com, the newspaper website, the television website, This Week Community Newspapers, the website of their Community Newspaper Group, and an array of other sites with special jobs to do, special purposes, special opportunities for advertisers. And they pull them all together under the name Dispatch Digital. This brings it all together, and they use facts, 30% past week net reach, to present the digital umbrella. Here's the digital umbrella, Dispatch Digital, with the Columbus Dispatch. And it starts off with 30% past week online reach by itself. One daily ad reaches 42%. Add online that week, it grows to 59%. One Sunday ad by itself reaches 60% of adults. Grow that number to 70% by adding newspaper and Dispatch Digital all week, and you can reach as much as 75% top line past week net reach. They use the digital umbrella also in presenting their partnership with Yahoo. With Dispatch Digital alone, you can reach 68% of adults in the market in just 30 days. Add Yahoo, and that reach grows to 90% of the market. They use the digital umbrella and the partnership also in competitive selling, as in this reach story comparing Dispatch Digital and Yahoo with the reach of the top 10 cable channels combined, reaching adults who plan to remodel their home. That group can be reached with Dispatch Digital and Yahoo to the tune of 86%. The past 30 days for all top 10 cable channels combined. Let's talk about showing the Internet opportunity with facts. Our illustrations come from Naples, Florida, and from Abilene, Texas, courtesy the Naples Daily News and Abilene Reporter News. An immediate sales library is organized to answer advertiser questions like, how many Internet users are there? Who are they? How do they use the Internet? How do they shop and buy? What's the effect on advertisers of a well-chosen set of facts? It's big. Let's look at these facts from Abilene. This is a Wilkins study, by the way. 77% Internet access. 92% of online users use online at home. 23% use mobile devices. 74% use text messaging. 65% shop online. 54% buy online. Big opportunity. Big search engine use too. 84% Google, 62% Yahoo. A well-chosen set of eye-opening facts show advertisers it's a new ballgame. This is great news. Newspaper website audiences just keep growing and growing. In the past 4 years, newspaper website audiences in the U.S. have grown 56%. So now you can do this. You can show big website reach of specific target audiences. Let's see some slides courtesy Metropolis Media Group. You haven't heard of MMG? It's our internal site that we use to test new ways of showing data and new slide types. It's a hypothetical group, but you're going to be seeing real data. This is a band slide type, big awesome number, 69,900. That's how many tire buyers visit metropolis.com in just 30 days. These are real numbers. These mock-up slides are built with real data. 387,900 consumer electronics buyers visit metropolis.com in just 30 days. Band numbers work for demographic targets and consumer targets. We like to include related business categories on one slide to show the comparisons. For example, among home furnishing shoppers, among those who buy hardware, building, and lawn products, 844,000 visited metropolis.com in just 30 days. For a single business category, we include related departments to show comparisons, as in this slide for financial investments, where 218,300 adults who are have home mortgages, visited metropolis.com in the last 30 days. That's a big number. People with 401k plans, 160,000 of them visited metropolis.com in the past 30 days. Your website numbers now work for retail brands as well. As in this example, for adults who shop large appliance stores, 150,600 Sears shoppers visited metropolis.com in the past 30 days. We've seen online sales story. We saw the use of fact umbrellas in multimedia branding. We saw the use of research facts to show the Internet opportunity. And we saw the use of big facts that show the value of specific website target audiences. This has been the newspaper website story, Great Research Facts. I'm Charlie Malden with Immediate. Thanks for joining this webinar. We'll see you in a session again later on.